Busking in central Chester. Who are you, please? Who are you?
Andy Martin.
Andy Martin. It's just for YouTube, a little snap of you.
I'm on YouTube.
Oh, I'll look you up, thank you. I'm going to put a little snap of you.
I've got my own channel.
Oh, you've got your own channel. Right, thank you. I'll come in a moment. He's tuning. He has his own channel on YouTube. Well, there we are. And there's the Eastgate, the most photographed clock in Britain after the big one. It's called Big Ben. Got a synthesizer. Oh, well, I'll have to direct him to his channel. That's where it's a whipping post. The town crier used to announce things before they had things like the Daily Mail, who tell a load of lies about people upsetting them around turkeys. Oh, look up my name, Noel Bukowski's neighbour from hell. The only thing that silences me is music. Oh, yes. And I got myself some vegan chocolate from Hotel Chocolat. They've got a more up-to-date one that whips it better. They're in the street just over there. Castle and Museum, River and the Groves, the Cross, and you can get a cheap cup of tea here. One Lord, what, St. Peter's Church, that's it. Oh yeah. Street down there. That sounds like James Bond. Oh, it is! Ha ha! James Bond. He moves smoothly. Smooth operator. Sorry, thanks. Viva, best animal charity. Forget the RSPCA. Viva save animals, not the RSPCA. Viva British. British. Oh, nicest town in England, Chester. Yep, I've decided. My mock Tudor, all of this is mock Tudor. Shrewsbury is original Tudor. The apex, whatever it is, on the top there, is how I want my mock Tudor done this time. Not just the triangle. I have to speak to Darren, the uncle of Dylan, who's the son of Ian Moss, the best plasterer, decorator for miles around. Recommended by the Homestead Garage Llay Ltd, L-L-A-Y, just outside Chester, near Rossett. He's gone back to that song. That's the Beatles, actually, isn't it? I don't know. Yes, it is. They wrote All the Lonely People. Where do they all come from? Eleanor Rigby. I like that shirt. Look at my boots from Temu. Fantastic. Look at the soles. That's what you need on cobblestones. I do have elegant shoes too. But your comfort and practicality matters. Overrides the elegance. Get my Temu wallet out. Never goes out of fashion, leopard skin, natural animals. Not like the domestic breeds of Frankenstein farm animals we bred that suffer, the poor things. Do you know their legs, the chickens? They break. They're only 6 weeks old when they're killed. Pathetic. Most of them boiled alive because they're struggling, hung up by their legs. The production line to be killed, and the knives miss their necks, so they end up in the scalding hot water. And their babies, the males that are hatched, are all suffocated or ground up alive because they're not egg layers. So for every egg-laying chicken, she had a brother, because 50% of them are born male, and they're killed. Stop eating them. It gives prostate cancer anyway. 60% of your risk of prostate cancer if your man is increased if you eat just 2 eggs a week. Yep. So back to James Bond. Oh, there's a couple of shops for sale and to let. Oh, what's that up there? My battery's half dead. The phone battery's about to die. Okay, off it goes.